two of the subjects that have, been closer to me, it was the whole issue about the dancer and the dancer of tomorrow. Because for me as a choreographer, I have a very, very close relationship with my dancers. It's a real exchange. So it's not just about their technical ability and their physicality, but it's a lot to do of how they are as people and their creativity and how much they have to give me as own individuals, and how their life experience and who they are and what they're about and what their dreams are can really influence my work. And that's something that more and more is happening with me. So I think it's something that's very important to recognize, this relationship between the choreographer and the dancer, which is, not just in my case, but in many cases, it's a real exchange. And the other subject has been the repertoire, about contemporary repertoire and the modern repertoire. And last night I went to see the new company by L'Accademia, and they performed the section of a solo by Pina Bausch. And I thought, although there is two thinkings of whether modern repertoire should exist or even whether pieces should be brought back, and I just have to say that it was great to see such a wonderful piece of dance done by a very, very young, talented dancer that, maybe, I hope that she will, but maybe will never be able to be doing that sort of work. So I think it is important that we start building, and that there is some works that will never die, in a way that when the work is good for the years and years and years to come. So I was a dancer for 12 years with Rambert, which is a contemporary repertoire. And in my career, I danced Anthony Tudor's work, I danced Merce Cunningham's work, I danced, many, many choreographers, and it really enriched me, not just as a dancer, but as a choreographer, because I could really get an insight on the process and on the interest and on what those choreographers were thinking about. Whether you then decide to use it or not, then that's up to you. But I thought it was a great opportunity that was given to me, so I think that opportunity should be done more and more. Of, almost it could be called like modern classics. Like there is work that was made 20, 25 years ago that, it's still amazing, and I think it's great that younger dancers can learn it. We are living today, and we are creating today, and it is important that everyone keeps on investigating. And I guess maybe it's about the right balance as well of people that will just keep on pushing on, although we probably all want to do that, and then having still a sense of what was before now.